Da-da! It's here, the brand new 75 plate Yamaha MT-09 SP. As you know, this is my first ever brand new motorbike, or brand new vehicle in general. If you haven't seen the handover at Tamworth Yamaha, be sure to check out that video. That's done really well as well. So big thanks to everyone who commented and liked on that video. It's made the rounds, let's just say that. But yeah, here it is. Again, big thanks to Yamaha Tamworth. They dropped this off, and they've fitted all the extras that I've asked for, which we'll get in later in the video. Big thanks to Tamworth Yamaha. If you just want to go down and see their showroom, upstairs is incredible. So yeah, be sure to keep them in mind if you're looking for a brand new Yamaha bike. They're a great dealership. So my initial thoughts, what do I think of it? Well, happy. It's awesome. Like, this is my first MT kind of bike I've even ridden. Obviously, I had the FZ1N, which was like the pre-MT. That was a FZ1, and I absolutely loved that bike. Loved it. And I was really sad that I ended up having to sell it. But I'm so glad I took the jump and got this, because I was originally going to get another FZ1. But this, yeah, I am over the moon with it. It just looks incredible. I have ridden it. So this is a few days after I got it. I could not, like the day after it came, it was about 1 degree, but it was dry. And I thought, screw it, let's go. So yeah, it was on 0 miles. It's now on, I think, 40 something, maybe 50 odd now. I've took it out a few times now. I did film the first ride, so that will be up on the channel later in the next week or two. But it feels incredible. Obviously, there's a braking period, so I wasn't able to really give it anything, but you can just feel it. It wants to go. And the addition of the quick shifter, amazing, like amazing. You know, the Olin suspension, the KYB forks. It is like a great packaged bike, and everything's new, and I love it. And surprisingly, the exhaust, it actually sounds all right. Got the water. Hate the water. I was a bit skeptical to begin with. I thought it was going to sound awful, and like looking at hearing YouTube videos, it doesn't do it much justice. When you're actually riding it, it's surprising. The Akrapovic system, is it worth 2K? I'll go over everything that we do get and what I have ordered. So I'll go through the extras that I got. So first up, we got the heated grips. The reason I wasn't able to take the bike straight away was because of the heated grips, because they were coming from Yamaha directly. Now, these took a fair few weeks to come, and it's not like the Oxford ones where you got a big bulky button or whatever on the handlebar. It's correctly wired in, and then you control it from the monitor. You just go onto it, and then you click through it. When they're on high, it is burning. Now, it's about 1 degree at the moment, and I had to turn it down to #1 setting because it was so hot. So they are awesome. I don't know how they'll wear over time. Time will tell. Moving on, we got the comfort seat. I've gone for the main rider seat and the pillion seat. I thought it'll be a bit criminal not to go for the pillion because it does have that extra like MT kind of imprint here. What I've also opted for was a charger, which they fitted a port on the side here, just behind the Olin reservoir. Over here as well, I'll move that to a side. We've got, I bought this separately. It's just the rear luggage carrier. We've got the original grips, the original seat, the plate carrier for the luggage carrier. That's pretty much everything. Kind of, I paid extra for it. There was a big old list. Like you could have had handlebars, you could have had specific engine guards. There was so much you could like pick from. There is some aftermarket parts that I have got. It's not gonna trash it up. It's just basically a bit like OEM plus type thing. Give it a bit more protection. I'll be doing a video on the aftermarket parts separately, so stay tuned for that one as well. But I kind of just wanted to kind of go through everything you get, because it's like a bit of an experience. It's a really good experience. Going through the actual dealer, it's got a 3-year warranty. The battery has 1-year warranty, and then it also comes with RSC breakdown as well through that period, and you can extend the warranty as well. I believe it was like 300 quid for another year or two. I literally got the email the other day about it. In the paperwork side of things, you obviously get your invoice order. So the bike, its registration, like every other bits, it comes with, obviously you don't have to MOT it for 3 years. It also comes with the tax already on. Obviously you paid for it, but it comes with the tax as well for the year. You've got the MT09 owner's manual and some other documents. I have highlighted some bits in there that I would like to show you lot. Some maintenance information as well. Warranty information for, oh, come over this way. I thought this was quite interesting. So this is the special features section of the page. It's section 3 of the owner's manual. Now you got specific features such as Yamaha ride control, which is really interesting. The different power modes for the bike. So one, you can see how it's got much more of a straight on curve. Let me just try to focus on that. 2, it slightly dims down, and 3, it again goes down and up. And then 4, which is like the rain mode, the power isn't there straight away, and it's just a gradual incline, but it doesn't reach to the top as like number 1 does. So 600 miles, the initial braking period, you've got to avoid prolonged operation above 5,300 RPM, which, that's crazy. Like this thing, it wants to go straight away, like, and like full throttle and all that harsh braking. But it also, if you're staying in high gear, it works the opposite way. It causes more like damage as well. It's to help with the ring seating or something like that. So many videos I'm going to be making on this. Like I said, got the first ride that'll be going out, aftermarket parts, and I've bought 3 bikes in 1 month. They're currently behind you, they're just over there. I won't say exactly what they are at the minute, but one's a 1980s project bike, which I've got parts literally scattered everywhere for it, and I don't know if it runs. And I've got a 1999 600cc bike. Now, I'll leave it up to you to guess in the comments what bike it is. So yeah, 2 project bikes, so loads of videos that are going to be coming out soon. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel and subscribe to my TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you know the crack, and I'll see you all into the next one. See you later.